Logic tree. Welcome everyone. Um, Today is 3rd Feb, 10:52 a.m. and I've been recording these scanners one after the other. Um, I'm going to finish it off today within a few hours or minutes. So I have one more logic to be discussed after this logic tree. So if you look at um, the logic tree over here, again the first one. Um, the first condition that we're going to look into is the first candle a green candle. Okay, if the first candle of the day is a green candle. Next, if yes, then we're going to check is the price above previous day high. Okay. Third, if the condition is met, we're going to check during the day the price has to touch the previous day high, and if touches, we are going to buy it aggressive. Okay. And if you want more confirmation, you can even wait for a build up and a punch, and then you can take a trade. So if I want, so over here this is the previous day high and low. The first candle is a green candle, is above the previous day high. Okay, for example, it has opened like this directly, and we want to have the second condition satisfied. Okay, now the first two conditions are satisfied. Coming to third condition, during the day the price has to touch the previous day high. For example, after within 2-3 minutes or 2-3 candles, it has touched the over price over here. Okay, then you are going to take a trade over here only after seeing a green candle. I'm going to take a look in the scanners again. If you can see over here, we have 20 plus 20. I'll just point it out. We have 20 stocks over here, on 20 symbols over here, and this is the signal that we get over here, right, for a buy. Any green texture over it, any green, we're going to look at it and we're going to check whether we are getting a trade or not. So here if you can see, interestingly, on today's third, we have gotten a trade Britannia 9:25 a.m. Second Bharti Airtel 9:40. Okay, let's check for Britannia and Bharti Airtel. So if you can see over here, okay, this is the previous day high. Yes. Okay, this is the first. Okay, perfect. This is the first green candle. Then it came and touched over here, and we have gotten a green candle over here, and we have taken trade. Now the trade is running over here. It's kind of a live trade that we have got. For the aggressive buyers, they can trade over here, and for the defensive ones, see here we have a build up, and after a punch, we can take a trade. Let's see if we get anything from Britannia Industries today. I'll upload the video, the second part of the video. One more is Bharti Airtel, I guess. Yep, perfect. Bharti Airtel, if you can see over here, the first candle it touched, and there's a green candle, and we have gotten a strategy at 9:40, right? So this one. Okay, luckily today I got a few live trades, and we have a trade over here. Your stop loss has to be below this. Okay. See you around. Thank you.